So we are facing this problem with Mounjaro with the new devices. This is a 12.5 milligram pen device, as you can see, and the dial is stuck. The dial is stuck both ways. It's not going. It's very tight, and I feel very uncomfortable using that because the plastic can actually break, and it can have problems, even though we have reached this one, but it is extremely tight, and injection is going to be very, very difficult. So I can see, like, even without the needle, there is some fluid coming out here. I'll just try to put a needle on top. Thank you. So let's see. I think there's a lot of pressure build up inside it. This is not an ideal thing for a patient to have a pen device. So I'm just gonna try to move it. Now this time it's moving actually easily.
Yeah, the press working. No, press it, no? To put the dose and to press the, not twist it, right?
So I know this problem we have had when the press turns. So you say the press is not working, yeah? Okay, let me do that. So let me do that. So, so I think it will be a waste of the dose, but I want to see how exactly it's going in. So I'm just gonna press it.
Now it worked.
So yeah. So that we can see it's going in, but sadly this is a lot of stress for a medication which is so costly, and the device becomes a little bit of questionable. This is not the first patient, so I'm having this problem for a few devices. I would appreciate if this can be sorted out, because it's a waste of medication. Plus, it's also a concern. It's also a concern that is the device really faulty, or is this working fine? Thank you.